Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload multiple files to Google Drive at once. Whether you have documents, photos, or videos, we will guide you through the quick steps to upload everything efficiently. On your Google Drive dashboard, click the New button in the upper left part of the page. Click it, then select File Upload. Go to the folder where your files are stored. Here, we have a sample folder with 3 files. If we want to upload all of them, we simply select All and click Open. If you want to leave out a specific file, just hold Ctrl and click on that file. Or you can select All again. To upload all the files at once, select All and then click Open. The files will automatically upload to your Google Drive. As you can see, we are now uploading 3 files, and the upload is complete. Now, we can share the photos, videos, or music that we have uploaded. Our files are now uploaded to Google Drive, all in one go. With this method, we can save time and keep our files organized in the cloud.